It's 1992 and Dave Ramsey is standing in front of an empty office, the echoes of his financial empire now ghosts. By 26, he owned a $4 million real estate portfolio. By 30, he was flat broke. What happened? More importantly, how does someone lose it all and come back stronger? This isn't just a comeback story, it's a blueprint for anyone drowning in debt, craving control and peace. Before we dish out solutions, you've got to see how Dave fell into financial quicksand. It's more common than you think and shockingly sneaky. Dave Ramsey's downfall didn't happen overnight. Picture this: booming real estate deals, a portfolio worth millions, and relentless borrowing. But markets crashed, loans matured, and Dave faced the unthinkable, losing everything, including his home and peace of mind. This wasn't just about bad math, it was poor control and unchecked risk. Debt isn't just about owing money, it's like carrying invisible chains. Think of debt as a slow leak in your confidence tank. Each payment feels manageable, but the weight builds. Ramsey compares this to quicksand. Struggling only sinks you deeper. Your money flows out faster than it flows in, invisibly siphoning your freedom. When Dave finally faced his wreckage head-on, something surprising happened. Letting go of illusions and embracing grit sparked a profound emotional shift. Debt's chokehold loosened, replaced by a calm clarity. The real treasure, peace of mind, beyond zeros on a bank statement. Ready for a reset? Dave's famous baby steps aren't fluff, they're rock-solid moves that turn chaos into clarity. But what makes them so unstoppable? Dave sets a wild yet simple starting line: stash $1,000 fast. No endless saving, just quick, immediate cash to cover disasters. It's like grabbing a life vest before you push off into rough waters. That small fund stops money panic from spiraling out of control. Next comes the debt snowball, a strategy that's both psychological and powerful. You line up debts smallest to largest and obliterate them one by one. Picture rolling a snowball down a hill. It starts small but picks up unstoppable speed with momentum. Each paid-off debt adds fuel and fire to your journey. Once the chains of debt fall away, wealth building feels utterly different. Now Dave flips the script: fully funded emergency fund, retirement investing, college savings, and then generosity. Here's the kicker: giving isn't just charity, it's a radical act that rewires your money mindset from scarcity to abundance. Money mistakes don't stop after debt disappears. Dave's military-inspired wisdom for investing: cut the chaos, keep it simple, and watch your future grow. Dave's KISS rule stands for keep it simple, stupid. Imagine a soldier's drill: clear, precise steps with no wasted motion. Dave argues against chasing hot stocks or flashy funds. Instead, he champions low-cost index funds and consistent contributions. Complexity isn't just confusing, it's a profit drain. But here's a twist: wealth isn't just numbers, it's mindset. Ramsey teaches contentment as a financial compass. Like a lighthouse guiding a boat, contentment keeps you from chasing shiny distractions, controlling impulse buys and risky bets. It's about being grateful with what you have, not always wanting more. Lastly, money isn't a silo, it flows through relationships. Dave reveals that handling money well can transform family strife into teamwork. Sharing budgets, goals, and victories creates trust. Money becomes less a weapon and more a bridge. This flow rewires your interactions from tension to harmony. Remember Dave standing in that empty office, broken but ready? That's your snapshot of hitting rock bottom, but also the start line. Financial peace isn't a myth, it's a muscle you build by facing your debt honestly, taking smart baby steps, and keeping your investments simple. Try this tonight: write down your smallest debt and pay one extra payment this week. That momentum, it changes everything. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.